Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of Basmati rice farming, where the quest for a unique and delicious rice variety meets the challenges of sustainable agriculture. Join us as we delve into the secrets of Basmati rice cultivation and the benefits it offers. Basmati rice is a popular aromatic rice variety known for its long, slender grains and unique flavor. India is the major producer and exporter of Basmati rice, with 2/3 of its production being exported every year. This rice variety is not only a staple in Indian and international markets but also has the potential to contribute to the growth of local economies and the environment. Before starting a Basmati rice farm, it's essential to perform soil and water testing to ensure the best possible growth conditions. This will help you determine the pH levels, nutrient content, and potential contaminants in your soil and water. Proper land preparation is crucial for a successful Basmati rice farm. This involves selecting the right land with a light loamy or sloppy soil that is not waterlogged and preparing the seedbed to ensure no restriction on root development. Choose high-yielding and disease-tolerant Basmati rice varieties for your farm. Some popular varieties include Basmati 217, Punjab Basmati 1, Basmati 386, and Pusa Basmati 1121. Implement effective pest and disease management strategies, such as using appropriate insecticides, fungicides, and cultural practices like crop rotation. Proper fertilizer management is essential for Basmati rice farming. Apply the right amount of fertilizer based on soil testing and crop needs. Control weeds effectively to prevent competition for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Basmati cultivators can be used to uproot or bury weeds, maintaining a weed-free environment. Harvest Basmati rice in sunny and dry conditions to prevent ear rot. Store Basmati rice properly to maintain quality and prevent contamination. Understand your target market, pricing strategies, and distribution channels to sell your Basmati rice effectively. Monitor Basmati rice prices to optimize sales. As you embark on your journey into the world of Basmati rice farming, embrace the challenges and rewards of cultivating this unique and delicious rice variety. With the right knowledge, tools, and dedication, you can create a thriving and sustainable farm that contributes to the growth of your local community and the environment. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Basmati rice farming. Stay tuned for more insights on Discover Agriculture as we continue to unravel the wonders of sustainable farming practices and the natural world.